Hello my friends. Today I'm gonna show you two different types of propeller holders for your DJI Mavic Mini. I found on eBay several types of propeller holders, but only two draw my attention: the silicone and the plastic covers. On the description below you'll find the link for getting yours. As you can imagine, the first one are made of soft silicone, and the second are made of polypropylene plastic. You can find a small variety of colors between black, gray and red. Let's start with silicone holders. As you can see, these holders are soft enough and you can easily adopt them on your propellers, with a little practice. On the description below you will find the link if you want to buy one from eBay. Let's go to plastic holders. These holders are solid and can protect your propellers more efficiently. You can adopt them on the props easier than the silicone holders. If you don't have the original DJI case, like me, and use aftermarket cases for your Mavic Mini, this is the solution for keeping propellers untouched. On the description below you will find the link if you want to buy one from eBay.